I'm Dave, and I live about 10 kilometers south of Hamilton. We were searching for somebody to do some modifications to our basement, and my fiance actually found your product online. About once every 3 or 4 years, I have a flooding problem. So that has caused us no end of grief. We live in the country. The worst events for us are freezing rain events, which tend to take out the power. That takes out our sump pump, and then the combination of that with the clay soil here, basically in a clay bowl. And with any heavy precipitation, the sump pump is working overtime with no power. We end up with a flooding problem down there. So I have had to replace both my furnace and hot water tank over the last couple of years due to flooding. Yeah, so we reached out. We saw that there was a free quote available online, and so Jay came here, one of your sales folks, very knowledgeable. Looked at our situation, explained the product. He had some very good videos online about what the product was, and put together a quote for us, and we went from there. So we have a large basement. It's 2,000 square feet, and for the last 24 years that I've owned the place, that has been basically just glorified storage, because we could never rely on it being livable. Anything that was perishable could not be left down there. So with the work that we had done, now with some confidence, we can actually turn that space into usable, livable space. I would say absolutely. My experience has been very positive through the whole process, from Jay first coming here right through. The crew was very respectful. They actually, in the high traffic areas through the house, they laid down their own dust mats. They cleaned up everything. The foreman explained everything once the job was done. So very positive from start to finish. That's a tough one. I guess that with contractors, you never know, and especially we had not done any research beforehand. So with your crews coming, it was an unknown. So I guess everybody says that they're really good. It's part of the sales. But afterwards, I actually went and looked at the Better Business Bureau, and you guys are pretty much a perfect record of no complaints. Yeah, nothing in the last few years. Only one in the last 3 years, and I totally understand the Better Business Bureau threw it out. They dismissed it. That's correct. Yeah, yes, the two sump pumps plus the battery backup. So that should give us 5 days of worry-free protection.